today is Friday and I don't know, I woke up in kind of like a weird mood. The world is kind of insane right now. Like I feel like we're in this weird movie of like craziness happening and I just don't know how to feel. I'm not at that point where I'm like panicking really, but I'm just kind of uneasy because first off, we don't have very much groceries. So I am gonna be going today and getting some food and stuff to just like have in our pantry. I feel like every hour there's like a new cancellation, or even more than that. There's just like all these cancellations happening and I just don't really know what's happening. I am very grateful that I can work from home, which I just can't imagine somebody, you know, if they can't go to their job for a few weeks, like how are they gonna be making money? And it's just like so much chaos, and I just feel bad for like small businesses and for people who are relying on their jobs to like pay their bills and all, I don't know, it's insane. But anyways, so I woke up kind of feeling uneasy and I just, yeah, I don't know. I was gonna wait for Madeline to come home. She's at a shoot right now. And then I was gonna maybe go with her to like get stuff, but I feel like maybe I should go sooner. And then I also like, I don't know, I should have worked out this morning because I feel like I need to get like my energy out because I don't know, I have too much built up energy or something. I don't know if you guys are like this, but sometimes I like literally don't know what I want to eat. This is such a random thing that I'm talking about. But like sometimes I just like wake up and I'm like, I don't know what I want to eat. Like there's nothing sounds good. And then when I like, I don't know. So I literally haven't been eating until like 3 p.m. the last like 4 or 5 days. I just don't know what I want to eat. And then I suddenly like 3 o'clock hits and I'm just like starving. So then I just like eat something really bad for me. So I don't know if you guys are like that, but that has been happening lately and it's really annoying. So I want to go stack up on a lot of good food so I have options. I think that's my problem. I just like don't prepare. So then I'm just like in a state of frenzy at 3 p.m. and I'm like, okay, I need to order Postmates. I need to like eat something quick. I don't know. I just feel like I don't have control over that in my life. And that's something that I really want to work on, especially in 2020, you know, just like figure out what I like to eat and what's healthy and what will make me feel good. I am gonna head to the grocery store pretty soon and I will update you guys when I get there. Okay, so I just got ready. I've been wearing this sweatshirt so much recently. I just really like the color of it. And I got it thrifting in Georgia actually. Well, like last time I went to Georgia. And I really like it. And then I'm just wearing, Then I'm just wearing my mom jeans that I wear all the time. They're from Urban Outfitters. I'm wearing these cow printed socks and my Air Force Ones. And I'm gonna go and brave the outdoors. I think I'm gonna go to Target first and then attempt to go to Trader Joe's. I have no clue what it's gonna be like out there, so I kind of have to, you know, get out and see what's going on, stock up on some stuff. Wish me luck. There was no carts inside, so I had to go outside and find one. They're like just randomly right here. I'm just gonna take this guy right here. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy. Okay, this one just stopped working too. What is happening? Where are all the carts? Okay, I don't know what's going on. I've never seen aisles so bare in my life. That was so crazy. There was no toilet paper. Obviously there was like a big shortage of toilet paper, but I did pick up some Starbucks because I was just like, well, first off, I was really hungry. So I also got a little sandwich. Like, I don't know why I keep doing this where I just don't eat until like, what time is it? Yeah, 2:30. I don't eat until like 2:30 or 3, and it's not because I'm trying to do like intermittent fasting. It's just like I don't have any appetite until 3, and then it hits me and then I'm like, dang, like I'm starving. So it's really odd. I like literally did not know what to get there. I got a few things of pasta sauce. I have some pasta at home, got some frozen stuff. I don't know what you need for this kind of thing. It's not that bad actually. The first sip wasn't that good. This is like one of their new drinks. It's their nitro cold brew with honey something. It has honey in it, which I usually don't really like. I don't really like honey in general, honestly. Like, I don't know, not that anybody cares, but it's just not my favorite flavor in the world. I don't know if I'm gonna go anywhere else, honestly, because I got some frozen stuff and I feel like I need to take it home. I also made a TikTok while I was there. I saw somebody else making a TikTok, so I got inspired. So definitely check out my TikTok because I feel like I'm gonna be posting a lot more on it. It's really fun. I like it a lot. It's so fun. But yeah, you guys should follow me. It's just Leah Prips. Also, my teeth look like extra white. I think it's just the lighting and my lipstick, and also maybe my brown hair. I don't know. This is so weird seeing myself with brown hair. I feel like this is 2016 Leah. Like, it's really odd. I need to finish up my living room makeover, honestly. So that's what I'm gonna do when I get home. I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I made a list and I forgot to bring it. I actually got everything except for apples and frozen fruit. That was on my list. Dang, I kind of wish I got apples. Sad. I'm on my dot right now. That's what I call my period, is my dot. Don't ask. I'm on that right now and I am running low, and I was like, dang, like I need to pick up some more. So I got that. Why did I explain that? I don't know. I just had to explain it, but needed more of this. And then I got some dish soap and some hand soap. I love this flavor so much, and it's in a limited edition. I already have, yeah, I have the spray for this. Ooh, this smells so good. It's the rose flavor and our scent, don't eat this. I really like this scent, so I wanted to make sure I got some more of that. I got some of these dishwasher pods. Got some Tylenol. I usually like ibuprofen over Tylenol, but I literally could not find any. The aisles were pretty bare, so I just picked that up. I thought I had grabbed 2 of these, but I have one of these tomato and basil sauces. I do have one down here from Trader Joe's, but I got some almond milk for coffee and smoothies and stuff. And then I got this. This is the one thing that I was like, do I need this? I don't know, but I just got this for desperate measures. I got this broccoli and cheddar bake Amy's like frozen meal thing. It's a family size, so I figured Madeline and I one of these days can partake in that. And then this is also something that's like super random, but I was so excited about this. I think I might make some right now actually. So these are some Brazilian bites. So these are just Brazilian, this is like a Brazilian cheese bread. And I went to Brazil actually like almost 10 years ago. Like, wow, it's been so long. But I went there and I fell in love with these like Brazilian bites. So yeah, these are super good. So I'm gonna see if these ones taste similar to the originals. I mean, it's probably gonna taste a little different, but excited. I'm actually gonna heat up the oven right now. I got some Quaker oats because if you guys saw my haul from the last vlog, I got some, but I got the wrong kind. I got steel cut oats instead of the regular ones, and I need this for my oatmeal. So the guy actually went in the back and found it for me because it was all sold out. He's like, hold on one second, let me go find it for you. So that was so nice of him. So satisfying. So happy I have that because I can live off of oatmeal in the morning, and maybe that's why I haven't been eating breakfast, because I usually like to eat oatmeal and I've been out of oats. I just got some tortillas for like quesadillas and stuff, and then I got this huge thing of peanut butter. This was actually on a really good sale, so had to get that. Then I just got some granola bars. Didn't really do a good job, I'm not gonna lie, of like stocking up my fridge. I don't know, like those situations, like I don't know what to get. I don't want to like get too much and like be like annoying. I also desperately need to do my laundry. Everything is clean, I just need to put it away, so I should probably do that after I put away all of my groceries. Also, I just wanted to say I'm watching my girl Jessica while I am doing some laundry, so yeah, love you, girl. All right, these little cheese bites just came out of the oven. Let's give them a try. They actually taste very similar to the original ones. I feel like they need kind of like a sauce. So I have this nothing but the bagel sauce from Trader Joe's. Kind of weird, but actually, I think I'm onto something. This is actually pretty good. So I realized I never ended off this vlog, so I just want to pop on here really quick and tell you guys that I appreciate you guys watching, and I will probably be posting a lot more vlogs because I have nothing else to do. So hope you guys don't mind, and I will see you guys in my next one.